keeps getting harder wearing these fool's gold shoes. I swear every time I turn the corner I have even less to lose. I find I always wanna let go, but not when I gotta hold on you. Pretty little darling, when you gonna come my way? It'd be ideal if we could just spend the day, 'cause I'm afraid I'm always losing my way, but not when I hear you say my name. So lady, where is this you're taking me? 'Cause lately it's been doing its best in testing me. But with you, lady, I just can't get the best of me. Oh, the best of me. Thank you so much. It's good to be back in London. This is Joey Bird. We got some songs for you guys. All right. That last song and this song are their singles that were just put out. This one's called Younger Now. The last one was Come On Pretty Honey. Yeah, here we go. She said she wants my baby, she wants my baby. I said, hey lady, I love you, but I'm not ready for that kind of rain. She says, oh God, no, don't you know it's just how we go about saying I really like the way you do your thing. For sure, and tell them about this pretty little gal who says she makes me feel swell, and I get a dollar, my very own sweet thing. You see, this nice schoolgirl keeps spinning my world, even when I think I wanna lie down and forget about everything. Oh my everything. Just can't get enough of you. Oh, she says, hey, oh my God, come on inside. Look with those your eyes, and got a surprise I'd like to show you. You leave me feeling like I owe you. Oh, this getting to know you. We're young now, going down the road. I spent my whole life feeling so uptight, just trying to get it right. But now I see I missed it completely. All you can do is breathe. What will be between you and me. Thank you so much. That one's called Younger Nile. God, while we're at it, let's keep that hand going for Willem James Cowan. Let's go, let's go. Not to get all mushy, but big fan of that guy and his writing. And fire me up, make me cry. It's good to be here playing with the friends tonight. This one's called Rihanna. And come on in closer, come on in closer. Set you off when I said it with Spain. Said it all now and forget how we said it. Where do you go when I'm not holding your hand? Your hand. your man. In the end, oh, I'm offbeat. Wall Street is gonna kill me. Cold feet, I've been up pursuing my dreams. Yeah, I still wanna meet Rihanna, Rihanna. You call to remind us that you make me hard. Come on, sweet pea, and oh, I love your goodbye. I don't care about those internet comments. The end, oh, the end. I'll be there for you, baby. Remember you're my lady. I'll be there for you, 'cause you know I'm your man. I'll be there for you, baby. Remember you're my lady. I'll be there for you, 'cause you know I'm your man. In the end, the end, the end. I'll be there for you, 'cause you know I'm your man. Thank you so much. That was called Rihanna. This is Joey Bird. I'm gonna get the guitar muted quick if that's cool. Hey, I'm gonna get the acoustic guitar muted real quick. Yeah. get my pants stuck in the knot. I live broken overthought, but this life is all we've got. Ironically, the keys probably in my backyard, but I've been searching wide and far. Stay right where you are. But when I come back home, I am afraid to show my face. 'Cause after all that call was just a hell of a mistake. Oh, I've been what I want to see what I could take. Boy, yeah, for you don't self-destruct. Heaven's on the way. That's all, boy. Thank you so much, guys. Been waking up slowly to rise and smell and cut. Oh, you'd think I liked it rough. Yeah, baby, that's the stuff. Testing my luck, I feel hard on an improvised backdrop. Oh, I felt that hit in the gut. Just need some time with my eyes shut. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I feel it calling through my inside. These still makes for an interesting ride. I don't know why I spent the day romanticizing my own decay. Yeah, you know what they say, the good die young and full of faith. Well, trying to pull my weight, I feel my backbone dislocate. Would they what I let them take, with no concern for what's at stake. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I feel it calling through my inside. These still makes for an interesting ride. Oh, well, I still hold high hopes that I will someday turn to gold. Instead of getting old and wishing that I was sleeping, I'd rather keep dreaming. When I so wish I'd be, I respawn where I've been free. Yeah, I couldn't tell you what that means. Maybe it's like reaching for an impossible ceiling, searching for a feeling. I Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you.
God, it's good to be here, London. No, it's good to be here.
No, honest to God, this was the hometown for a while, and I'm about to cry up here. No, honestly, I've had some emotional moments. Come in here, for real. I mean, no, you just wait for Anella in the early hours up next. It's gonna be a rock and roll show. monetize my head, but it proved to be harder than it seemed. So I cried through the weekend, and I was good for nothing. Oh, then entered my darling. She said, your brain's so beautiful and neat. I tried to monetize my head, but my pockets are still empty. Oh. Cross my heart in hopes and I am free. I find a smoother ride. My whole life's left up in the air. This road I chose, it goes nowhere. But I've got to try. I had a brilliant idea. It was to sell my vision to the world. It looked good on paper, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. 13 years later, that train's still stuck in the same place. I can't get no one on board, and I've been awarded with a frightening fate. Cross my heart and hope to die. I pray I find a smoother ride. My whole life's left up in the air. This road I chose, it goes nowhere. But I have got to try. Oh, 'cause I would rather die. Take it away, Gyro. Hey, that one's called Monetize My Head. It's about, it goes out to anyone who's ever tried to come up with an idea and then make a living out of it later. So, yeah. Thanks so much, guys. Hey, we love you guys, honestly. Thank you so much, seriously. And while we're wooing here, let's keep the wooing going for Owen Varagos on the bass, everybody. London, Ontario boy here. We love Owen. Come on, let's go. We got Dan Nash on the drums. Check this guy out now. And last but not, second last but not least. No, hold on. We're both going at the same time here. This is Gyro Lamina on the guitar. Let's go. Yeah. Same time here. My name is Austin Piggott. And you may also know me as Joey Bird. But this is Joey Bird, the whole thing. It's an idea. Thank you so much, guys. This one's called Sad on Fade. We have merch at the back. We'll see you there if you're looking for a t-shirt or a tote. Thank you so much. We got Anella in the early hours up next. I've been busy saving up for my dimes. Toss one in a jar for every rainy day that I did with my eyes. There goes my clear blue skies. Completely consumed with paying all my dues. Spend my days in a cage as if my life was something I'm not gonna use. my face about you falling. Hey, don't stop you waiting on another try. Side of day after day, the day just goes on by. Just like a bad habit, I've been here before. You'd think once I had it, I'd have had it. So here I am crawling back for more. But you're afraid to knock at your door. Fell back in the race again. Now I can feel my face dissolving. Oh, hey, some you waiting on another try. Sad on fate, day after day, the days just go on by. So I will push with all my might. Innocent, I'm blinded by the light. Wish I would take my own advice, but quite frankly, I've been petrified. Thank you. This is Joey Bird. You can find us online some places online. Joey Bird, like a flying kind of guy. Thanks so much.